Hi guys, welcome to Rich Ben Made It. Today we are going to look at how to remove green backgrounds in OBS Studio. Alright, so we are going to look at how to remove the green background from this type of video to get this. I know you can't wait to know how I did it. Okay, so it is very simple. So you are going to bring the type of video you want to remove the green background, whether it is a video or an image. So I have brought mine here already. I know by now you know how to bring a source into or under the source section under your scenes. Alright, so after you bring your source, you click on the right mouse button on that particular source. Alright, so you come to filters. Alright, very simple. You come and press the plus button here. Note we have the effect filter and also audio and video filters. This one it is an effect we are adding. So you come to the effect part, press on the or click on the plus button. You come to the second one. We have the apply lat and we have the chroma key. So we are going to use the chroma key. Click on it, then you click on OK. So the magic is it has been already removed because we have the green screen selected. So we have the colors here. If you want, if it is not a green screen you want to remove, whether it is a blue, you can use this one. If it is a magenta, you can use. If it is a custom color, maybe it is a red color you want to remove from the video image. If it is a blue white, you come to the custom and remove it. But normally we use the green screen, so you can also adjust it using the settings. But the default settings is very good. It is very good. So you can see now the green screen is no longer in it. Alright, so I'll click on close and now you can see the green screen is removed. You can see that the green screen has been removed from the video. So whether you want to use it to transit a video or whatever you want to use it, sometimes we use it to remove a green background from a subscribing button. Alright, so you can use it. This is the simple way you can use it to remove a green background or use a chroma key inside your OBS software. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and also share it to loved ones for all of them to also know the easiest way to use a chroma key or to remove a green background inside OBS. And please, if you want to get this kind of transition I'm using for this tutorial, I have a lot of them. If you need some, just comment it under the comment section and I will send it to you direct. Thanks for watching this video and let's meet in our next video.